This is the iPhone 13 mini. I have been testing this phone for a few days now. In this video, I'm going to share its camera performance in both daytime and nighttime conditions. Let's start with the camera specs at a glance. On the back, there are two cameras, both 12 megapixel. The main camera features an aperture of f1.6 and extra capabilities like dual pixel PDIF and sensor shift OIS. The second camera has an aperture of f2.4 with a 120-degree field of view. This is the ultra-wide camera. On the front, there is another 12 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2. You can record videos at a maximum of 4K at 60 fps with both the rear and front cameras. These are the photos taken indoors during daytime. You can see the zoom levels at which these photos were captured on the screen. The background blur is impressive thanks to the lower aperture value. Overall, the sharpness and color balance are good. Sometimes the camera struggles when there is too much light. I even tried capturing some close-up shots and they turned out decent. Here are some other photos taken outdoors during the daytime. Speaking of zoom, you can capture images starting at 0.5x or 1x or up to a maximum of 5x. Personally, I find that the 0.5x and 1x photos look great, offering a good balance of sharpness and overall picture quality. The 5x photo is decent, but you can notice a lot of noise and a loss in picture quality. This is a panorama shot and it looks good too. I'll share how it appears during nighttime shortly. These are photos taken with the front-facing camera. You can capture photos at 0.5x or 1x with this camera. You can also take portrait photos that look great with excellent background separation. The camera app includes extra features that let you remove the background completely while taking a photo like this. Here are some indoor photos taken with the front-facing camera, both with and without background separation. The overall sharpness and picture quality are good even indoors. Now let's take a look at the videos recorded during daytime conditions.
Hey guys, this is the video recording in 4K 30 fps by using the back-facing camera. Right now I'm recording in 1x. I can go to 0.5x. This is how it looks like. This is 1x and maximum 3x. So this is how the footage looks like in 3x mode. Again, this is 1x and 0.5x. You can judge the audio quality as well.
Hey guys, this is the video recording in 4K 30 fps by using the front-facing camera. You can judge how the video clarity as well as the audio quality from this mobile. And this is like a morning time video recording, and you can observe how the stabilization as well. And behind me, sun is there. You can judge how the exposure is controlling. I think okay. Yeah, this is how it looks like. I think on screen it looks decent. Let's see the final output, how it comes. This is the video recording with the iPhone 13 mini by using the front-facing camera in 4K 30 fps in indoor conditions. This is how it looks like. The video as well as the audio clarity. I didn't use any external microphone during this record. I'm just holding this mobile in my hand and recording the video. So if in case you are doing a content creation or Instagram reels or YouTube shorts, this is how the video, mainly focus on the audio quality, and video differs from the lighting conditions as well as the environment you are shooting. In addition to regular video recording, there is a cinematic mode where you can control the aperture and other settings. Just take a look at how impressive it is. Another observation, when you record videos in cinematic mode, an additional video file is created without the cinematic effect. You can see both videos side by side.
The cinematic mode is also available for front-facing camera, and you can make focus or defocus like thing if any new people are here, like side to you.
So that's all about the daytime photos and videos. Overall, I'm happy with the results. Before I share the nighttime photos and videos, let's take a look at the camera interface along with the options and settings available in the Photos app. This is what the iPhone camera app interface looks like. It's the same as on other iPhones with no significant changes. I didn't cover some features like slow motion or time lapse in this video, but those options are available. One thing I really like about this camera interface is that the options are straightforward, easy to understand and simple to navigate. Previously, I reviewed some Vivo and Realme phones that were cluttered with too many options and confusing menus. I prefer the camera interfaces on Google Pixel and iPhones. You can record slow motion videos in HD at frame rates of either 240 fps or 120 fps. In the photos section, you can change the aspect ratio, add filters before capturing a photo, and access many other settings. I originally thought that cinematic mode was only available for the rear cameras, but it's also available for the front camera, which is a nice bonus. While recording videos, you can zoom up to 3x starting at 0.5x. Even for panorama shots, you can capture images at 0.5x or 1x. Now, speaking about the Photos app, there are additional editing settings available after capturing a photo. You can adjust exposure, saturation, contrast, sharpness, and more. Also note that the iPhone 13 mini doesn't support Apple's advanced intelligent features. During daytime usage, especially outdoors, the phone tends to get hotter, particularly around the camera area, making it sometimes difficult to handle without a back cover. Now, let's take a look at the nighttime photos and videos. These are some photos taken under various lighting conditions at night. If you look closely, when there is too much light or varying intensities, I noticed a lot of glare. I actually demonstrated how the photo looks without the glare in a panorama shot. You will see that shortly. Apart from the glare, the overall picture quality is good. In some environments, the photos look especially good, for example, when capturing food. I also share shortly how the photos look with and without the night mode option. Here are some photos taken at different zoom levels. Due to the differences in aperture value, the 0.5x and 1x photos appear different. The 5x photos are not as good compared to the daytime shots. They look somewhat like oil paintings. In the front-facing camera shots, you can also observe some glare. Now let's compare the photos with and without the night mode option. You can see clear differences here. In this special scenario, the first photo shows the actual lighting conditions while the second photo was taken using night mode. You can see the results. Of course, the night mode photo is not as sharp and clear, but compared to the first one, it looks much better. This panorama shot shows balanced lighting with no glare. This is what I expected from regular photos as well. Now, let's take a look at the videos from the front-facing and rear-facing cameras during nighttime conditions.
Hey guys, this is the video recording in 4K 30 fps. Actually, you can record in 4K 60 fps as well, but for this video I'm recording in 4K 30 fps, and this is during the night time. You can observe the audio quality as well as the video clarity as well. Right now I'm in 1x mode. Even I can go 0.5x, and this is how the footage looks like. Now I'm going back to 1x, then maximum 3x. That's all. This is the maximum zoom you can do with the iPhone 13 mini. Also,
You can take pictures simultaneously while recording the video, but you cannot flip the camera front to back or back to front. This is how the video quality looks like with front-facing camera in iPhone 13 mini at 4K 30 fps. So this is in pitch dark condition, guys. You can observe how good the camera is. Of course, it's not great or even good at all, but whatever the light you are observing on my face is coming from the street lights, which is like far away from here. You can observe this. Again, the camera settings are same. Apart from zooming, there is no zoom in option is available. If you want, you can click the photos. If you want, you can pause or stop the recording. So here is my overall review of the iPhone 13 mini's camera capabilities. During daytime conditions, there is no doubt that the photos looks great with excellent color balance and sharpness. However, the nighttime photos are different from what I expected. Some photos came out very well while others didn't. I really like the dedicated night mode option as it enhances the photo by processing the image. The video quality is good during the day, but it falls short at night. Of course, if you record videos at night in well-lit conditions, you will get decent results like I showcased in this video. To conclude, I really like the iPhone 13 mini for daytime photos and videos, but it didn't quite meet my expectations for nighttime performance. Comment below if you're using the iPhone 13 mini and let me know what issues you have faced with its camera. Also, I noticed some heating issues during the prolonged use. These are some other related videos about the iPhone 13 mini in 2025. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.